Hi Ohouse, my name is Angie and welcome to my home. I live in Stockton, California, and I work part-time as a physical therapist and part-time as a worship leader in my church. On a typical day, it kind of changes. Because I work at the church, my weekends are usually Fridays and Saturdays. So on Fridays, I work from home or at a coffee shop. I might go thrift. I like a lot of thrifting. Or I might go do ceramics, different things like that. And obviously, I play a lot of music because that's my other job. I'd say that my style tends towards Japandi and a mixture of mid-century modern. I really try to buy furniture secondhand when I'm able to. Most things in this house are from Facebook Marketplace or from an outlet, or they're bought from the thrift store. I really like the look of Japandi, but it is a little bit, I think at times, not approachable. So I like how mid-century modern tends to make the place feel a little bit more cozy. So probably the hardest part about designing the space would be, I think just trying to find furniture that I really, really like, because I'm someone who doesn't like to essentially make rash decisions with purchases. And again, like I said before, I always try to make sure that it's secondhand or on Facebook Marketplace. So for example, these chairs were like 4 for $100, like all 4 for $100. And then my most recent purchase, but it took me like 3 years to decide on this, was this Danish credenza. That's made of teak and it's like from the 1960s. Absolutely beautiful, but literally it took 3 years for me to decide on which credenza to buy. Home to me is a place where I can see my life interacting in all different